Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm at a very nice village with the Nordic design. It's here in East Pattaya. I'm just 10 minutes away from Sukhumvit Road and just 2 minutes to 5 minutes to all the international schools and to like a major tourist attractions. And behind me is a house, 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house with the 290 square meter based on a 66 square watt plot of land. Please follow me inside. Okay guys, here is the car park, the garage. So we have enough car parking space for 2 cars actually. We have automatic gate which you can control by the remote. We also have an EV charger over there. Now is the trend of EV cars, so it's also important to have an EV charger. Over here we have terrace. So the terrace is quite big size, so you can really use it for like an outdoor barbecue. And you even have 2 sun chairs as well. We have saltwater system swimming pool, the size of 3 by 6 meters. And on the opposite wall, we even have artificial waterfall. Here is the main entrance. We even have 4 CCTV cameras. So you can really see the house from every angle in case something will ever happen. Hopefully not, but it's nice to have it. And over here is the main entrance door. They use paperless smart lock, so you can even unlock it with the pin or with the fingerprint. All right, here we are in the entrance area. We have the very nice double volume ceiling over here. The living room, we have here an L-shaped sofa, so you can put the TV on this wall. You also get a lot of natural light in here from these windows because it's double volume, so you get double the amount of light. Over here we have dining table set up. It's enough for 6 persons, but I mean like there's still plenty of space, so you can even extend the dining more. Have another window to this side of the garden. Over here we have one of the 2 kitchens. This one is the European style kitchen. So we have here some kitchen counter, so you can serve some coffee or drinks in the morning. There is the wine rack, which I always enjoy. This kitchen is made for like just serving the drinks or for like a small cooking breakfast in the morning. So we have here a stovetop with 2 cookers. We have the sink over here and another small fridge as well. And on the top we still have a lot of storage space. Also below here in the counter there is even more storage. If you follow me here to the next kitchen, this one is what we call in Thailand a Thai kitchen. So this one is really used for like serious cooking. So you have like a bigger fridge to store all your groceries. You have gas stove with the 3 burners. You have even an oven, which not too many houses have. Even a bigger and a larger sink. Some more storage over there. And we also have here the washing machine. From this Thai kitchen, you can also enter to like a laundry area. So they have a small outside laundry area where you can dry your clothes and do all the laundry work. So this is also very nice to have it as well. We also have 1 bedroom here on the ground floor, which I will show you guys next. Over here we have the bedroom. It doesn't have a bathroom en suite because we have 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, but the bathroom comes as a like a guest toilet, let's say. But it's nice for elderly people to also have a bedroom on the ground floor. It comes like this, fully furnished with a queen size bed with the built-in wardrobe. And over here a small TV counter as well. This one here is first bathroom. It can be really used as a bathroom for the bedroom on the ground floor and also as a guest toilet. We have the sink, toilet and the rain shower as well. So guys, this is it about the ground floor. Here is the stairs to the 2nd floor. We have here like a storage area, shelf area, so you can put some props, some decoration here as well. We have like a nice light color stairs, and I would say we check out the 2nd floor. So please follow me. Here we are on the stairs. It's very nice that they have like a double volume ceiling. So we also have like a huge windows, which if you open the curtain brings in like a lot of natural light. This is really the concept of this like a Nordic home with the very high ceilings. Now we see the 3 bedrooms on the 2nd floor. Okay, here I am on the second floor. We have like a second living room here, or like a chill out area. And what is very nice, you have here some kind of like a veranda, I would say. So you can see the double volume ceiling of the living room. Very nice view. We are coming now to the first bedroom. This bedroom, a bit smaller. It's considered to be like a guest bedroom. We have here like a queen size bed, but we have everything built in. We have here windows to the side of the house. We have some indirect LED lights. Here will be the TV cabinet, and we also have here the built-in wardrobe, which actually all comes together with the house. All right, here we are coming to the bathroom, ensuite bathroom. It's the ensuite bathroom of the second bedroom, let's say. We have here the built-in sink, toilet from Khaotalo, and we also have a rain shower, and they keep it very nice and friendly with this like a white marble tiles. All right, and here is now the third bedroom. So the third bedroom is a little bit bigger. It can be like the master junior, I would say. Once you enter here, you have like a quite nice and big area for like a powder table. You have the wardrobe to this side, built-in wardrobe. And you have here, separated from the walk-in wardrobe, you have the bedroom, the third bedroom. We even have here like a king-size bed. You have some small table there for doing some work, for relaxing. Over there is the TV and the TV cabinet. You also have here in the ceiling like a lot of indirect LED light features. Also on the back of the bed, gives it a very nice look. And you also have this feature that you can look to the living room, and also at the same time can look out to the swimming pool, because it's basically all windows over here. All right, here we are in the walk-in wardrobe, and we can enter from the walk-in wardrobe directly to the bathroom. This bathroom is of course much bigger than the other bathroom. We have here like a really big counter with one sink. We have here separated from the toilet the shower, special space for the shower. We have rain shower as well, same as in the other bathroom, and the toilet. Coming back here to the, let's say, second living room, chill out area. We can enter here to the office space. So this is also something very unique about this house, that they have a dedicated office space. You have here your own aircon. You can even close here the sliding door if you want your peace and quietness. You have here like a fully functional desk setup with a lot of bookshelves, storage space, and you can put your laptop here and really do some like a nice work from home office. Okay guys, the heart of the house is the master bedroom, and now we are in the very nice master bedroom. We have also here very high ceiling, I would almost call also double volume. We have a very huge space. We have a king size bed. We have here a built-in like a backdrop, headboard, another sofa over here. Very nice and big chandeliers at the ceiling. Even have more space here for watching TV. You have like a relaxing armchair. You can put the TV here on this cabinet, and we even have a very big balcony overlooking the swimming pool. Two more features. First feature is very nice and big walk-in wardrobe. You have both two same sides, maybe one for the ladies, one for the men. We have a powder table. We have a lot of storage for the clothes, for bags, for belts, socks, everything, and a huge mirror. So really the ladies can make up doing their clothing here in this walk-in wardrobe. And this one is the master bathroom. I think the master bathroom also something very special about this master bedroom. So we have this huge freestanding bathtub over here. We have the counter for two things, I think very important for a master bathroom for the man and for the lady. We have almost the entire space is a mirror. It's also nice, and we have all this white marble, white color. It feels very friendly over here. We have here the toilet, and separated also shower with the rain shower system as well. Alright guys, this is all about this Nordic design house. We have 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, And another very special unique feature which I didn't mention yet, so you can control this entire home with your smartphone. So it's coming with a fully smart home system. As you see, this is a show house with all fully furnished. This price for this house is 15.15 million baht. I will put a link to the listing in the video description below. The starting price for other houses which the similar size are 14.6 million baht, so you can also check out on our website. And as always, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I hope to see you guys on the next Sunday. Thank you very much.